Hello friends, welcome back to DataDesk Pro. Guys, in today's sessions, we are going to learn charts and graphs in Microsoft Excel, one of the most important topic in data visualization. Guys, charts help you present data in a simple and powerful way, whether you are working in an office, doing freelancing, or presenting to your boss or management. Charts makes your work look professional and impressive. So let's start step by step. Guys, first you can see we have a sales data set on the screen. We have data for Office 1 and Office 2, and sales are given month wise Jan, Feb, March. Now, to create a chart, first select the entire data, go to the Insert tab. Guys, here you will see a chart section. Click on Recommended Chart. Guys, this is like an AI features in Excel. It automatically analyzes your data and suggests the best chart types. Just select any chart you like and click OK. And guys, your chart is ready without any hard work. Now you can easily see which month has high sales and which has low sales. Guys, this is the power of visualization. Data becomes easy to understand instantly. Now let's create a chart manually. First select the data, go to Insert tab and click on Column Chart. Guys, here you can choose 2D or 3D chart. Now let's select 2D column chart. And guys, see the result. Your chart is ready. If you change any value in your data, the chart will automatically update. So guys, this is very important for real-time dashboards and reports. But sometimes numbers are not visible on charts. First select the chart and go to chart design. Now choose a style with data label. And guys, you can clearly see values like sales numbers. Click on the chart title and rename it. For example, office sales performance. Sales performance. Guys, but now suppose your boss says, don't show month-wise data, show office-wise performance. Go to chart design and click switch row and column. And guys, wow, your chart changes instantly. And click again, it switches back. So guys, this is a very powerful and important features. Practice both methods, try different styles, use switches row and column. Guys, the more you practice, the more confident you become. Now it's your turn. Push this video, practice this on your own data, then come back and comment what did you learn from this session. Guys, if you found this video helpful, hit like, share, subscribe to DataDesk Pro, because in the next sessions, we will go even more advanced with charts and dashboards. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next powerful sessions.